Well, I think I talked too long.
No, not at all. So, I'm not an accountant or a banker, but I am gonna uh, push back a little bit against the idea that these people are going to be obsoleted. I mean, again, I don't know much about these fields, but it seems to me like, having this third entry, having this immutable public record that anybody can check and verify. It seems to me like it would be useful for an accountant, but I'm not sure it replaces an accountant. So if I run a company, I still need a guy in charge of the accounts to go over them and make sure that the steak restaurant did indeed sell this many steaks, that we did buy that many steaks for our inventory, and this many were spoiled, and this many were sold, and this many were given away for free or whatever. And then you run the numbers on how many steaks went in and how many steaks went out, and how much money came in and how much money came out, and that should all be matching. Having Bitcoin out there to verify the accuracy of the transactions can help, maybe in that you can check that your customers aren't doing fraud. Sorry, your workers aren't doing fraud.
Let me just
Because
let me say this. You're 100% right, and maybe my analogy was bad. What I was trying to show was a micro system utilizing this new technology. I wasn't saying restaurants don't need accountants. I was saying here's an example on if you used the Bitcoin network versus used a point of sale system. I don't think you're gonna put sales of steaks on the Bitcoin network. I think you're gonna have a system that lives on top of that, and maybe at some point it's written down. But the holy grail of all businesses is immutable record. Does the Bitcoin network work for every restaurant in America? No. And every entertainment company in America? Absolutely not. But the people at the granular level on larger scale transactions, or to audit what's on the Bitcoin network, those people are not needed. But yes, you're going to need
yeah,
financial service people to figure out Saife's individual business records and Darin's. I have several businesses outside of this that I have lots of financial people that are not going to go away. And I have reconciliation people that I have an entertainment company. All they do is they reconcile the tickets that we get with the tickets that the broker said they sold, and those people don't go away either. But the interesting part of this technology is how do we utilize it in every other industry? And I think we're nascent stage of that. We're figuring it out. But on the most important transactions globally, this network changes how behavior will work over time.
yeah. So I'm gonna have to have an awkward conversation with my accountant after I fired him earlier today.
No, don't. You need your account.
Well, should have waited till you explained that part before I sent him. Oh well. But yeah, no, I think I agree with you. I think, yeah, I think these jobs will probably remain. They are needed, but you're right, and this drives me